huge 50% jump today and closing at 14% upside from Friday's close. This asset is displaying its true strength, and I believe that there could be a continuation to that upside. Let's go ahead and validate now. What is up, you guys? This is ARCa. Welcome back, and let's go over ticker symbol ASRE. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel, and we're going to be going over ticker symbol ASRE. Please go ahead and notice that today's price action, we led to a huge run. I am talking about from the bottom side of about 27 cents, almost 28, right? Let's see what the bottom is. 27.74, right? So 27.74, that's close enough. We actually made a pump of over 50%. This came up to around 55.2% to the upside. Massive run. So usually when we get pumps like this, there is absolutely things there's absolutely things for us to evaluate within momentum and volatility, because this could be a massive shift here. I'm sorry, I thought I smelled something weird here. My dog is down here. Come here, boy. Come here. He's like right under my desk. Sorry about that, team. All right, here we go. So let's continue. Anyway, so yes, after this massive pump, let's go ahead and go over volatility and momentum, because there could be a massive shift here. But actually, you know what? Before we do that, let's go ahead and go over the statistics here, because this is essentially what told us that there could be an upside coming in. So the criteria behind this: anytime that volatility has contracted into this critical level, which is within the 15th percentile, and started an expansion phase, paired with stochastic momentum making an upside pivot, this very criteria, I've taken note of the duration of the upside thrust and the amount of times that the profile of volatility versus momentum have guessed the upside correctly versus incorrectly. In this case, the 5-day time frame has shown us 7 out of 7 iterations guessed correctly to the upside, which obviously is giving us a 100% read. Naturally, that's not something that we're going to be, it's not going to be 100% the whole time, right? It eventually is going to correct. So, sorry guys, just my dog over here trying to do things. Go. Thank you. Anyway, so let's go over those targets. So the first zone measures an average upside thrust of 435.88%, which leads us to about 50.44, right? So that, I get it, right? I know the target is there. The firing of the signal happened down here at the opening of this candle at 9:52, and the asset has moved. Let's see. So as of today, the asset has moved 355% of the 435. So this is why I'm telling you that 50.44 would be that average upside thrust. Now I have calculated the standard deviation as well. So, and what that is, bro, can you stop? Go. Oh my goodness, man. Sorry about that, you guys. Go. Stop. Dude, you're running. This guy is literally catching himself under my roller. And now here's my little boy, the co-host. Man, there's seriously a circus going around in here. Hi, baby. How you doing? All right. So regarding the standard deviation here, bless you. Okay, so we have a bell curve here. Okay, 68% of the results are landing at a massive 875.17%. You're going to catch your foot on the roller again, bro. Don't do that. Okay, and the lower bound of the first standard deviation is unreadable because it's a negative value. So statistically speaking, it's unusable. And the target that I'm really paying attention to here is because it's heavily, there's heavy confluence there, and that would be the 1,300% upside. So that target is actually leading to around $1.31. So I know that's a massive upside. Bro, you're getting your paw caught on my roller. Hold on. Move. Sorry, guys. Again and again. Co-hosts everywhere. All right, so yes, 1,300% leads to that to the 2 spot 618 at 131. So we're talking about confluence with geometrics and with statistics. I love it. I love it. Right. So today we're flashing momentum towards an upside. So I love what we're seeing here. Okay, so now regarding the range, we had already seen this potential range anyway, and we also just got this bi-daily silver cross. It's looking good. Right, so this was our overall range here. We were talking about 4170 at the top side and 2802 at the bottom side, and we of course got that very thing. Right, another thing to display that is actually our the new ARQ indicators that we released. Right, so this in this case this is Balancer, and Balancer is displaying that a very similar bottom side. Right, so 2783 to the top side of about 4319. So it's meeting my discretion pretty nicely. We're battling the 50% of returns right now. So we're getting a little bit of resistance there. And you can see that we're also facing resistance from the hourly time frame volume weighted average price, the VWAP or VWAP, whatever you want to call that, right? So yeah, this offset here, this range upside is around 55%. And this is not bad considering that we are battling this the 50% of return. So it's looking pretty promising. I do see a potential short-term pullback, for so we can grab some stragglers there and then continue on to the upside. But we have been evaluating this ticker for quite some time now, and we're the entire team and I are very thankful to have had found this. Lots of support in the community, lots of people talking about this ticker, and but yeah, you know who you are, my brother. But thank you so much for all your help. So let's go ahead and look at the RSI now, right? So this is the 30-minute immediate short-term time frame. We're getting an upside pivot and in a cross upside of the SMA 14 here, which is very bullish. Okay, now it depends on how bullish this is, though. So if we get an upside pump here, I would really like to see the 30-minute time frame really push to the upside in order for us to start bleeding that upside into the bi-hourly and into the 4-hour and so on. Right. So as of now, we're facing a little bit of resistance from the SMA 14 on the 4-hour and the 8-hour, as you can clearly see here. But overall, the positioning here is leading to a continuation to the upside, and you can see here this is a 12-hour time frame. Same situation here with the daily. So I guess we can use the daily as just as easy as we can the 12-hour, right? Not to mention that the bi-daily is facing the bounce from the SMA 14, so that's pretty bullish. Right, so if we are facing an immediate resistance here, at least within the daily time frame, then I think that could be correlated to the reversion variance resistance here at about 59.62. So that's it is a probability here that we can do that, and it is also a probability that we could face a little bit of a short-term pullback too. Remember, I was mentioning that, right? So if we do face a pullback, I can give you a range here for a potential long area, right? So right over here, you are looking at this here. Oh my goodness. Can we stop that? Here we go. So 33.13 to 33.69. Dude, I am telling you, you're gonna get caught there again. Go. Okay. So, yeah, I'm thinking that this could be a very, it's not going to last too long in my personal opinion. I do think that this pullback could be just very, very temporary. And it looks like the SMA 10 is supporting that downside there, right at about the, here, remember, right, 33.13 to 33.69. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And then we'll be able to kind of evaluate this during the live stream tomorrow, as I'm very interested over what this thing could actually do. I mean, this is a huge break of market structure, and we're already, I really mean this, the last 10 days, right? Of course, we have this top side of 44 cents that we had on Tuesday the 8th, but as far as Wednesday the 9th and on, we have not had any higher iterations until today. So that's it's displaying actual true strength here, and I do suspect there to be a continuation fairly soon. So hourly time frame, DBSI, this is another ARQ indicator, and you can see here that the the statistical results measuring in every candle upside of the EMA 13 and every candle below the EMA 13 to give us a relative strength score. This is pretty much the bulls in the lead, right? So we have a 79% over a bear strength ratio of 21. So this is great. It's looking pretty nice. We're bouncing right off of this inflection zone, and there is a chance that we can test it one more time. But I would have to express some concern over here because we do have that EMA 13 located at 3402 as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a single line there for the what is it called, for the 13-day EMA. I'll just leave it like that, okay? And you know what? Since it is white, we'll also color it in white. Hans, go, buddy, go. Oh my goodness, man. This guy just wants to die under the chair. Buddy, no, go, move. Good boy. All right, so I think he thinks that I'm talking to him, so he keeps on trying to jump on here, and his paw gets caught under the roller. Dude, I am not a light guy, bro. All right. So anyway, keep your eyes on this. I'm going to be streaming at 6:30, 6:40 a.m. right around there tomorrow, and actually every day. So come on by, say hello, request your ticker, and everything will be good. But yeah, team, I expect this to run one more time, right? Just to give you those targets, the 875% upside of the 68% of the results being here, the standard performers, right? That's leading to a target of about what is it here? The top side of 91.79, and the bottom of the range there would be 80.91. So that could be a major resistance, right, for us to come back and potentially start testing some relevant areas, starting at 64 cents, followed by maybe around 53 cents before a continuation to the upside, and then eventually or potentially reach that 131 zone. But I do see this as highly probable, guys. I hate saying things like that, right? But the statistics are there, the support is there, psychology is there, and the geometrics are there. I'm not sure if there is a fundamental catalyst. I think someone ended up saying it, which is why we ended up rating this a B+, A- trade. So based on that rating, I reflected my portfolio entry for that. So, which is quite heavy. But yeah, I think everything is looking pretty good, team. If any questions, definitely reach out to me. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, 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 very good night, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios. Yeah. Yeah.